Good morning, Zeva. Good morning to my Zeva girl. What are you doing, Zeva girl, huh? Oh, oh my mamas, oh my mamas. Oh, come here, honey bunnies. I know, what? What's the matter with Zeva girl, huh? What? What's up with the Zeva girl, huh? What? Oh, my girly girl. Yes, you are. Come over here more. Don't be so camera shy. Don't be so camera shy, okay? You're gonna get the mamas. Yes. Oh, there her goes. Yay, there her. Oh, you're gonna go over there and sleepies, huh? Oh, yes. Her just wants her snuggy time, don't you? Are you just trying to go to sleep, huh, honey? Is my baby girl tired? I'm so sorry. Yes, Mama let her sleep, huh? You just want Mama to sleep out here with Zeva tonight? Yes? Does Zeva want Mama to sleep out here with her tonight? I love you, Zeva. You're such a good girl, yes. Yes, you're my girl. Yes, her is. Who's this my mama's pretty girl? Don't know what to do with you, Zeva. I love you so much it breaks my heart to even think of getting rid of you, but I don't know what's best for you, baby girl. The only time you're happy is when it's just Mama and you. Yes, I love you, baby girl. You're a precious little angel. Yes, Mama wishes you could be free. We have a lot of other hockey friends. Yes. Love you, baby girl.